y'all, my name is Tanny and I love to cook. Today I'm going to show you how I make a bomb recipe. It's for lobster tails. Okay, lobster tails are quick and easy to make. Usually I steam them or broil them. But recently I decided, let me just go ahead and put my lobster tails into my air fryer and see what happens. And OMG, it was the bomb. It's quick, it's easy, it's delicious, and it makes the perfect lobster. Let's get to cooking. So I have my air fryer heating up and I washed my 2 lobster tails and I have my kitchen shears to butterfly the lobster tails. And what you hear are my 2 catfish that are searing. We're going to take our kitchen shears and cut down the back of each lobster tail until you get to the flappy end part, but don't cut that. Then you take your finger or 2 fingers and go in at the bottom of the meat and lift it up out of the cut lobster tail back. You'll notice that there is a digestive tract string that you pull out and clean off just like you do a piece of shrimp. And once you do that, wash and dry it off and cut it. Then I'm going to add olive oil to the meat as well as all over the shell because it helps with the cooking process of the shell and the presentation. And you can use melted butter, but the olive oil doesn't contain cholesterol, so that's what I'm using today. Both are equally delicious. So I'm going to season mine with my favorite seafood seasoning, which is Old Bay, but you can use the seasoning of your choice. Onion powder, garlic powder would be delicious on this. If you use parsley, I would wait till after you cook it to add your herbs so they don't get too dark in the cooking process. So I'm going to heat up my air fryer. And this is my catfish that's still searing. I use onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, black pepper on that as well. So now I am inserting my 2 lobster tails. I steam my lobster tails for 1 minute per ounce, so I'm doing the same thing in the air fryer. The air fryer is going to be set to 360 degrees for 4 minutes. I have 2 4-ounce lobster tails. So I checked it at the 4-minute mark and look at this. Voila, it looks awesome. You'll notice the one in the front, the flapper part of the tail looks a little dry because I didn't get enough olive oil. So I left that there for you to see on purpose. Be sure to oil it all the way through. I stopped it at the 4 or 5 minute mark because it continues to cook. So I flipped over my catfish. It's blackened just how I want it, and I am almost ready to eat, y'all. This was a delicious and quick brunch. It literally took the catfish longer to cook than my 2 lobster tails. Amazing. It's moist, it's juicy, it's succulent, and don't forget to add you in some lemon juice. You can squeeze fresh lemon or use the prepared lemon juice, and look at this. A perfect southern brunch. 2 air-fried lobster tails, some fresh sliced tomatoes, and blackened catfish. Delicious, y'all. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and check back for my next video.